Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I will show you how can you use your ChatGPT through your WhatsApp. It's a very simple process. What you have to do, only have to follow my steps. You can see here I am using my ChatGPT through WhatsApp. You can see here this is my WhatsApp, and if I message here to WhatsApp, hi, how are you, then you will can see here it's will reply my answer. You can see here as like the ChatGPT website GPT or ChatGPT app. We can use ChatGPT through our WhatsApp. You will can give it to your voice record, all that thing. So it's the very easy process for doing that. So I will show the process step by step. So for this reason you have to simply come here on your WhatsApp. You can see here I am on my WhatsApp. You can see here, after come here on your WhatsApp, you have to simply click here and you have to add a number. You can see here here the add option, then you have to simply click here contact. You can see here new contact. You have to simply click here new contact. After that you have to simply write here a name which you want to, and then you can see here country code. You have to simply click here to the United States, and here you have to give a number which is very important. You can see here this is the number. You have to simply mind that the number. You can see here this is the number. So this is the number. You can see here you have to simply 800242, and then you have to simply give here bracket to the number like that. You can see here there will be two bracket to for the 800, and then you have to simply click here save. After clicking here save, it will be saved, and then you can see here you will can message it's through that way. So this is the very easiest process to using your ChatGPT through your WhatsApp. So this is today's video. If you have any question you can ask me, and nowadays I got a star option. If you want you can send me star. Thank you.